Look up at the night sky. The vast expanse above is a canvas painted with countless stars, each one a distant sun, each one a beacon of light in the dark void of space. Millions of stars twinkle back at you, their light having traveled across unimaginable distances to reach your eyes, but hidden amongst them, far, far away, lies a celestial object shrouded in mystery. It's a tiny dot, almost imperceptible, yet it holds secrets that have intrigued astronomers for generations. A tiny spectacle in the vast cosmic canvas, a point of light that challenges our understanding of the universe. This dwarf planet has sparked debate and captured our imagination. Its discovery was a milestone in our quest to understand the cosmos. Is it real or just a figment of our imagination? For years its existence was questioned, its status as a planet debated. We are talking, of course, about Pluto, once the 9th planet in our solar system, now reclassified as a dwarf planet. Pluto, once considered the 9th planet from the Sun, resides in the icy outskirts of our solar system, a realm known as the Kuiper Belt. This distant region is filled with icy bodies and remnants from the solar system's formation. For decades, its true nature remained a mystery, a tiny speck of light observed through powerful telescopes. It was a challenge to study, given its distance and size. But the story of Pluto is not just about what lies billions of kilometers away. It's a story of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's also about human curiosity, scientific endeavor, and the thrill of discovering the unknown. Scientists and astronomers have dedicated their lives to studying this distant world, hoping to unlock its secrets. So join us as we embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of Pluto. We'll explore its discovery, its reclassification, and what it tells us about our place in the universe. A journey that will take us from the mind of a young astronomer to the very edge of our solar system. Together we'll uncover the story of Pluto, a tiny spectacle in the vast cosmic canvas. Our story begins in 1930 with a young astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh. Born in 1906, Tombaugh had always been fascinated by the stars. His passion for astronomy led him to build his own telescopes and study the night sky from his family's farm in Kansas. Working at the Lowell Observatory in Arizona, Tombaugh was tasked with a daunting mission to find Planet X, a hypothetical planet beyond Neptune, believed to be affecting Uranus's orbit. This mission was inspired by the predictions of Percival Lowell, the observatory's founder, who had spent years searching for this elusive planet. Night after night, Tombaugh meticulously studied photographic plates of the night sky. These plates were large glass sheets coated with a light-sensitive emulsion, capturing detailed images of the stars. Each plate contained a wealth of information, but finding a moving object among the countless stars was like searching for a needle in a haystack. He used a device called a blink comparator, which allowed him to rapidly flip between images taken days apart. This ingenious tool made it possible to detect any changes in the position of celestial objects, highlighting anything that moved against the static background of stars. By looking for objects that shifted position, he hoped to find something moving against the background stars. This painstaking process required immense patience and a keen eye for detail, as even the slightest movement could indicate the presence of a new celestial body. And then on February 18th, 1930, he saw it. After months of diligent work, a tiny speck of light caught his attention. A tiny speck of light jumping back and forth as he flipped the images. This was the moment of discovery, the culmination of countless hours of meticulous observation and analysis. Tombaugh had found his moving object, a potential new world. This discovery was not just a testament to his dedication, but also a significant milestone in the field of astronomy. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community and captured the world's imagination. Newspapers around the globe reported the finding, and the excitement was palpable. The 9th planet had been found, and it was named Pluto. This name, suggested by an 11-year-old girl from England, Venetia Burney, honored both the Roman god of the underworld and Percival Lowell, whose initials are the first 2 letters of Pluto. As technology advanced, we began to learn more about this distant world. Pluto, we discovered, is a truly alien place. Its surface is covered in frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, giving it a reddish-brown hue. The dwarf planet experiences extreme temperatures, with an average of -232 degrees Celsius. One of Pluto's most striking features is its heart-shaped glacier named Tombaugh Regio after its discoverer. This vast plain made of nitrogen ice is thought to be geologically young, suggesting that Pluto is not a dead world, but a dynamic one with active geology. Pluto also has 5 moons, the largest of which, Charon, is so large that it and Pluto are considered a binary system. They orbit a common center of gravity located outside of Pluto, making Charon more of a partner in a celestial dance than a mere satellite. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union made a controversial decision. This decision would forever change the way we view our solar system and its celestial inhabitants. They reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet, a move that shocked both the scientific community and the general public. This decision was based on a new definition of a planet, one that Pluto, with its relatively small size and unusual orbit, did not meet. The new criteria required a celestial body to orbit the Sun, be spherical in shape, and clear its orbit of other debris. Pluto, it turned out, was not alone in the outer solar system. It was part of a larger family of objects that shared similar characteristics. It resided in the Kuiper Belt, a region populated by icy bodies, remnants from the early solar system that never coalesced into full-fledged planets. Some of these objects are similar in size and composition to Pluto itself, blurring the lines between what constitutes a planet and what does not. The IAU's definition required a planet to clear its neighborhood of other objects, meaning it must be gravitationally dominant in its orbit. This was a criterion that Pluto, sharing its space with other Kuiper Belt objects, did not fulfill. Its orbit is cluttered with other icy bodies, making it more of a member of a larger community than a solitary planet. The decision sparked a debate that continues to this day. Some people were outraged, feeling that Pluto had been unfairly demoted from its planetary status. Others applauded the decision, seeing it as a necessary step in our understanding of the solar system. They believed that the reclassification helped to clarify the characteristics that define a planet. As our knowledge of the cosmos expands, so too does our need to refine the definitions we use. The debate over Pluto's status is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of science and our quest to understand the universe. The reclassification of Pluto even led to some conspiracy theories. Pluto truthers emerged, claiming that Pluto had been deliberately downgraded as part of a cover-up. Some even suggested that Pluto was not a natural object at all, but a secret alien base. Of course, these theories are not supported by scientific evidence, but they highlight the hold that Pluto has on our imagination. This distant, icy world, once a point of light in the darkness, had become a symbol of the unknown, a blank canvas onto which we could project our hopes, fears, and fantasies. New Horizons, a journey to the edge of our solar system. In 2006, the same year that Pluto was reclassified, NASA launched a spacecraft called New Horizons on a mission to Pluto. It was a daring mission, a 9-year journey to the very edge of our solar system. As New Horizons approached Pluto in 2015, it began beaming back incredible images. The world watched in awe as this once blurry dot transformed into a world of stunning complexity. We saw towering mountains, vast plains, and a surprisingly young and active surface. New Horizons revealed that Pluto has a thin, hazy atmosphere composed of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It also discovered evidence of ancient lakes and rivers of liquid nitrogen on its surface, suggesting a more dynamic past than previously imagined. Beyond Pluto, the Kuiper Belt and its mysteries. New Horizons' mission did not end with Pluto. It continued on into the Kuiper Belt, providing us with our first close-up views of another Kuiper Belt object, Arakoth, a contact binary with a unique shape. These observations are helping us to understand the formation and evolution of the outer solar system. The Kuiper Belt, once a mysterious realm, is now recognized as a critical piece of the puzzle in understanding the early solar system. It is a vast repository of icy remnants from the solar system's formation, and studying its objects can provide valuable clues about the conditions that existed billions of years ago. Pluto in our hearts, igniting imagination and scientific curiosity. Pluto's story is a reminder that science is not just about cold, hard facts, it is also about wonder, imagination, and the thrill of discovery. Pluto may no longer be classified as a planet, but it remains a fascinating world that continues to captivate us. Its story has inspired generations of scientists and space enthusiasts, and its demotion sparked a debate that forced us to re-examine our understanding of the solar system. Pluto has shown us that there is still so much more to learn about the universe around us. Distant wanderer, Pluto's enduring legacy. As Pluto continues its lonely journey around the Sun, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. This tiny, distant world, once shrouded in mystery, has revealed itself to be a place of surprising complexity and beauty. Though it may no longer be a planet in the traditional sense, it remains an integral part of our solar system story. Pluto, the distant wanderer, will continue to spark our curiosity, ignite our imaginations, and inspire us to explore the cosmos for generations to come. Its story reminds us that the universe is full of surprises, and that the most profound discoveries are often the ones we least expect.